The Home Belmont is a brand new chandelier that is designed to provide an industrial farmhouse feel to your home. The Home Belmont is perfect to install above a dining room table, over kitchen islands, or in entryways or foyers. This sleek light comes in a smoked birch wood-style finish with classic black accents. This Belmont features an open wagon wheel frame, which is complemented with 4 decorative rope accent pieces that showcases its charming vintage style. Measuring at 27.5 inches in width, this chandelier is a perfect way to add length and dimension to any space. Included in your package are 8 feet of chain, so you can set the Belmont to your desired height. The open bulb design of the Belmont allows for some customization with your choice of bulb. This is compatible with vintage Edison bulbs, vintage round bulbs, or LED bulbs to make your Belmont even brighter. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Belmont is dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Belmont light is ETL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon Marketplace. These items will say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Kira Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.